What is going on, LEGO investors? So today we're going to talk about a set that I have been waiting a very, very long time for this set to sell out. And a lot of you have also been waiting for this set to sell out. So this is a Brickhead set. I'm sure already you might already know what I'm talking about. But I'll give my thoughts and opinions on this set. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Please comment down below. It definitely helps the channel and it helps the community. But let's dive into it. This set is the Disney 100th celebration. It is finally sold out. This set has been on sale forever, and we're pretty much 4 months into the new year, and it has been on sale for $23.99. So there's two things with this, and we will never know the reason or why it hasn't sold out. But there's two scenarios. One, either Lego mass produced this beyond no belief, and they just had a ton of inventory, which in the modern market right now that we're in, with the Lego market, I can definitely see that Lego mass produced this set because they thought it was going to be so popular. And then the other reason might be that they just created the normal amount, which is a ton compared to years ago. It just wasn't popular, no one bought it, and it just has been sitting on the shelf. So I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Do you think they just mass produced this more than other sets, or do you just think it wasn't popular? But this set has been on sale for $23.99, and it's been on sale for that price for like 8 months. That is just insane. I think it's more of they mass produced it in comparison to just people weren't buying it. But sadly, we will never know. So I definitely think this set was a great investment because Brickheads are insanely popular now. They're growing in popularity, and Brickheads have a history of going up in price. You can pretty much double your money with Brickheads. And I personally love investing in Brickheads because they're typically Lego store exclusives, so that means they're harder to get. I am envious of everyone that says they live next to a Lego store or pass by a Lego store at work and you stop by and you could just accumulate mass amounts of Brickhead sets. I and many others live far away from a Lego store, and it's just very hard to build mass amounts of inventory, say, compared to a set that's only available at Target. So I love that they're typically Lego store exclusives. They're a great price. Individually, typically it's $9.99. I think that's a great price to there's just less risk at that price point. And it's very easy for a set to hit $20, and sometimes it'll go beyond $20 and it'll hit $30. So I think there's just a huge potential with Brickheads. And they're also small, and if you ship online, so I sell locally, but this doesn't apply to me, but they don't take up a lot of space, so you can store them easily, and they're cheap to ship. So really quick, let's take a look at a history of Brickheads of sets that have done really, really well. Star Wars obviously have just done awesome, like we got Captain Phasma, retail $10, value of 52, Finn, retail for 10, value of 30, Batman, value of $50 right now. Batgirl, which is really weak, retail for 10, value of 18. Even that went up. Iron Man, retail for 10, value of 39. So just Brickheads have just a history of doing really, really well. And it's great for themes that have multiple Brickheads because it's kind of like the Star Wars helmet. People just want to buy, they don't want to just buy one, they want to buy them all and have them side by side. So that's a really big factor for why I invest in Brickheads. So this set retailed for $39.99, but it has been on sale, like I said before, for $23.99 for like 8 months. That's absolutely insane. It came out 2023, February 2023, and retired at the end of 2023, but it still has been in stock and available up until now, which we're 3 months into, and that's a very long ways away. That unfortunately pushes back the prices and will prevent you from earning more later on. But this is a solid set. It's the 100th celebration. So I've always said the risk with this set is that they will remake these individually. And there is no doubt in my mind that they will. But for $23.99, you are coming out ahead. And a lot of people have pointed out that have commented on the channel, which I absolutely appreciate. This has the Disney 100 on the box. So that is great. That is a small factor. Compared to a set, when they release them individually, it will not have that Disney 100 on it. So what I really like about this set is that it had Oswald the Lucky Rabbit, which is Disney's first character of Mickey Mouse, and it was the first ever animated character. That's really great. So in comparison to the newer Mickey Mouse, this one I am hoping will do well. But we've had so much inventory that it's not going to do as well as the newer version, Mickey Mouse. But I definitely think there's some comparisons that need to be made. So this Mickey Mouse, this Brickhead set has done absolutely insane. This one retailed for $10 and it's got a value of 80. Like even if we just capture a little bit of that, I think this set is going to do great. I think there's anywhere from a potential of $60 to $80 for this set. If they don't release any of these characters or some of them remain unique, there is a potential it could go beyond that. But there is a ton of inventory, so I think the $60 range is fair. You know, $80 would be a grand slam in my opinion, but it's going to take a very, very long time just because of how much inventory is out there. Inventory matters when investing. So let's take a look at how this set is doing on eBay. So we're at, let's see, $31 here, 13 plus 10 shipping, so 23, 23 plus 10 shipping, so 33, 23, 23, 24. So honestly, it's not doing terrible. I wish it was a little bit higher, but for the fact that it's been in stock still and we're at a little bit above retail, that's a really, really great sign to me. If it was way, way below, it would be very concerning. But the fact that it's still pulling in about like around the retail range, maybe a little more, is definitely a great sign. So let's take a look at each Brickhead individually, how they're selling on eBay. So right now we got Tinkerbell. This one pulled in $18 and $6.95 shipping, which is amazing. This one was $10, $4.85 shipping, $11.99 plus $5.65 shipping. So Tinkerbell is doing really, really well. I'm liking this pricing. And then we've got, let's see, Snow White. We've only got a few on Snow White, so 15 plus $6 shipping, which is pretty insane. And then 15 again here, 9.50 here plus 4.38 shipping, and then $15.95. So definitely, definitely a great price. And you know, I didn't really think about this, how this person is selling these. It's pretty genius. They're selling the bags, so it's considered new. I am definitely going to consider that in the future because I really did not think of splitting apart those multi-pack brickheads to potentially earn more money. But let's take a look at Oswald. Oswald is pulling in $15.99, $14.97 plus 5 shipping. Absolute, it's really insane. I mean, some of these are almost at the retail of all four. And then we got Mickey, and we've got here $14.99 plus 6 shipping, and that might be the only one for Mickey. So those are definitely solid prices. We are way above the retail price if you broke them apart. And honestly, I really did not even consider the way that people are doing that. That kind of just opened my eyes. So comment down below if that's something you have done where you broke apart these 4-packs and have sold just the bags and classified them as new. That's really awesome. That's another thing that I can do to earn money in the future when I sell these online. And then on Amazon, it is selling for $37.99. So again, definitely a great sign. Amazon sells for a premium, so I'm definitely going to expect this to go up in price as time goes on. So yeah, I'm going to make a few follow-up videos on this set throughout the year just to see how this is doing. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on this. Did you invest in this set? Are you avoiding it? Or do you regret that you didn't get any? Any information would definitely be helpful. And I appreciate you watching. But as always, please do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.